In statistics, degrees of freedom can be a confusing term. Let's break down what it actually means for your data. At its heart, degrees of freedom represent the number of values in a final calculation that are free to vary. The most common formula is n-1. This accounts for the fact that we use a sample mean to estimate the population. By accounting for these constraints, we ensure our statistical models remain grounded in reality rather than just overfitting to a specific sample. If we had data for an entire population, we wouldn't need to adjust. But with samples, we use n-1 to reduce error. As your sample size increases, the impact of losing that single degree of freedom becomes less significant to your overall result. Think of it as the remaining room you have to wiggle once you have locked in your initial constraints. Understanding these concepts helps make sense of complex financial data. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more basics.